Hey guys, quick tip on your emails, especially ones that where you're trying to maybe sell something or promote something. New study done that shows, and they studied 10 million emails, by the way. When the email is less than 150 words, you get a 60% bump in the response rate and the reply rate. So short, not long. Sometimes we see these emails roll in. You ever do this? You open an email and it's like 4 or 5 paragraphs. You're like, oh, and you just scan through it, right? You don't read the whole thing. So what if it's 150 words though? Of course you're gonna read it. It takes 2 seconds. So make sure your emails are tight, concise, fast, easy to read, and your response rate, reply rate will go up dramatically, up 60%. So guys, you want quick, snappy, easy ideas you can implement in your business, things that can really make a difference in your bottom line. Join us over eRealEstateCoach.com, and we would love to see you sign up for our coaching we got over there called the Path Performance Coaching. It's only $1 for your first month. We've got hundreds of lead generation strategies, hundreds of tips and ideas and tools that you can use in your business right now. 750 downloads in the system, plus marketing assets, plus checklists, plus forms, plus social media assets. Everything is there for you to go out there and really ramp up your business today. So join us over there, eRealEstateCoach.com. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day and good selling.